Oh, those razor bumps! I'm sick and tired of razor bumps. Somebody help me, please. Wait, you promised me that if I shaved with you, I wouldn't get razor bumps anymore. Well, if you don't want razor bumps, before you put this thing to your face, you need to learn how to use it. And that's what we're going to do in this video. I'm going to show you a technique that I've used and that I help teach to others that will give you the advantage of knowing how to properly use a double-edged safety razor before you put it on your face.
Now, in the past, you might have used cartridges, those razor blade cartridges that they have out there. Okay, we're going to get away from that and help you to really understand the process and the benefits of getting a wet shave with a double-edged razor. The one that I have in the hand here is the one that I really recommend to beginner shavers because it's what we call a mild razor. Therefore, the blade is not as exposed, if you will, and you'll get a real good shave as well. Some of the key things to remember is, first, how to properly handle the razor. So now, if I want to take this razor and put in a razor blade, this is how we do it. I'm going to go ahead and open this here. And basically, this is a twist to open. So all I do is just grab the handle, hold the top here, twist like that. Okay. The other pieces here, essentially, I just hold that upside down and it opens like that. I'll take my razor blade. In this particular choice, I'm going to use the Shark razor blade because, again, it's a really good beginner blade. It's a nice mild blade here. I'm going to go ahead and place it onto the head of the DE89. Let me go ahead and do this here. Okay, so you see how I just pop that on top, okay, like that, and it kind of locks into place because the DE89 has little corners there so that it holds it in place. However, you take the other piece here, press it down like that, and then you want to go ahead and hold it on the sides like we did before, and this time twist to close. Now, you don't want to over torque it, but you definitely want to make sure it's tight. The reason why is because the blade has a bevel here at the top. The razor rather has a bevel at the top, and this actually presses down on the razor blade so that it gets the right angle and exposure area on both sides. If you don't press it down hard enough and it's a little loose, you will feel it in your shave, and boy will it again be very raw and irritating during your shave. So you want to make sure that this is, again, assembled properly. Again, this is the Edwin Jagger DE89, and you can see there the blade exposure on that side and on that side. That's why they also call it a double-edged razor, simply because it's two edges. All right, so now we've got the razor itself ready. There are other steps into the process of a BBS shave, and you jump over to that video, you'll see what I'm talking about. But right now I want to talk about how to properly handle the razor itself. So now, let's say you've already lathered your shave soap. You're ready to apply it to your skin, and you're ready to shave. Now, I always recommend using a pre-shave oil before that, but you've never used a double-edged razor on your face. Let's get some practice before we do that. And what I usually do, and what I used to do in school, as a matter of fact, when I was, again, training to be a barber, is I would use my arm here. I'm going to put this down here so you can see. You go ahead and use the arm here. Okay. All right. So I want you to see this area right here. And what you want to do is go ahead and lather. This is your razor. Now, instead of just going straight to your face and vacuum, what you want to remember to do is you want to, and notice this here, you want to put it flat on the surface that you want to shave. Slightly turn it to an angle of about 30 degrees and begin to pull forward. Okay, you see how you're taking off, and you see how you have hair there as well. You might not feel the razor blade. You say, well, gee, is this thing working? As you can see, it is. The one thing you do not want to do, especially as you're first learning how to use a double-edged razor, is you do not want to put a lot of pressure. Let the weight of the razor blade, or razor rather, itself, and the sharpness of the razor blade do the work. That's why, again, it said you just take it, you see here, okay, I'm gonna come back here, put it flat, okay, and then tilt it about 30 degrees, come down, okay, and flat, you see how tilt, 30 degree, you see that? How we got that covered? Now let's go ahead and clean this up again. But this gives you a chance to understand what the angle has to be. So you go flat and you turn it. Again, with an Edward Jagger DE89, you're not going to feel the razor blade as much. But if you make it a habit of going at least 30 degrees and bringing it down, okay, flat, turn the angle to 30 degrees, see, nice. Small, smooth strokes. Don't hack, don't buff, is what we call that technique there. Let's go here, flat. Now I have a mole. You might have a mole in your face or something like that. So you have to keep an eye on that. I go below it just a little bit, flat, turn the angle 30 degrees and come down. So now, that's a great way to learn the proper angle. So that way when you get ready to shave on your face, then you use the same process. Okay, let's go back here. Alright. Obviously you're going to have lather on your face first. You usually start here about the sideburn. Don't cut your ear now. Go flat. Okay. Right in front of the ear. Sideburn level. Go flat. Turn the angle 30 degrees. And come down. Small strokes. Okay. First pass becomes all the way down. Okay. And you'll see that in the other videos. Just wanted to shoot this video again because I've just been seeing a lot of new guys and their faces are just hacked up. And it's really a shame that they're not really properly shown how to, again, shave. But sad thing is we're really not trained to teach our children. Okay. Things like shaving. We've taught a whole lot of other stuff. But when it comes down to shaving, we might not have taught them because, again, we didn't know. So now that the advent of properly shaving with a double-edged razor, or what we call wet shaving, is coming back, it really is helping out so many young people who are getting the advantage of learning how to do this so that they can shave the right way and even pass this on to their siblings, their friends, and so forth. Remember, flat first, okay? Flat first, and then turn it to a 30-degree angle and go from there. Once you get that down, and again, you go back and feel your arm and feel how smooth that is. That's the result that you want for your face. So you have to get that angle. Keep your stroke short and smooth. Don't buff. Don't go in a whole bunch of different directions. Oh God, please. That's how you hack your face up. You take a look at the BBS shave episode and you'll see how I go ahead and shave. It's a 3-pass shave, not a 1, a 3. So don't try to get it all done in one shave. But those episodes will take you into more detail of that. I just wanted to show you how to put that razor angle in the right position and how to use a double-edged razor for the first time.
If you guys like this video, please show your support and subscribe. I'm working really hard to produce the best content that I can, and I'm putting it out there for free. Why am I doing this for free? Well, it's because, like you, I was once new and I believed the hype that we cannot shave with a razor without getting razor bumps. Well, that myth has been busted.
So, if you're interested in learning more, or if you feel that this content is helping you, please don't forget to subscribe. Make sure that you also click on the like button and the notification bell so that every time we produce new content, you are notified. Your doing this is really helpful to me and to the growth of this channel.